Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the rm command. The rm command is used to delete the files in the directories. Okay, so first of all, let me open up the terminal and now I just need to open up the files. Alright, so I just want to delete this file and these directories. So the directory with the content must have a file. Okay, so I just forget to put a file here. So it does have the file now, and we also have the directory without the content, okay, or an empty directory. Okay, so I just want to delete all of these one by one. Okay, so first of all, I have to go inside the another directory, obviously. Then I'm gonna write the ls to see the directories and the files. Okay, so first of all, I just want to delete the directory without the content or an empty directory. So for deleting the empty directory with the help of rm command, you have to write the rm, then you have to write the d, then you have to write the name of your directory, which is directory without content. All right, okay, so it will simply delete your empty directory. Hit the enter and you can see that it has deleted the empty directory. All right, okay, so if I just try to delete the directory with the content with this command, so it will give me the error that I cannot delete it because the directory is not empty. Okay, so for deleting the directory which has the content or the file inside it, you have to do a little change here. You're gonna write the r instead of the d. Okay, so hit the enter and it will, okay, all right, I just have to write the name correctly. Is with the, not without, is a with. All right, now it will delete the directory. Okay, so this is how you can delete the directory with the content. Okay, but if you just simply want to delete a file, what you need to do, you're gonna write the rm, then you have to write the name of the file. Okay, that's it, and it will simply delete the file. Okay, so this is how you can use the rm command, and if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.